Hi, welcome to Introduction to Public Speaking at Hartnell College. First things first, I want to make sure you know how to pronounce my last name because it looks a little bit weird. However, it is not pronounced hue. It has nothing to do with art or color. It is not pronounced hoe. I am not a garden tool. And it certainly is not pronounced hog, although if you saw me at an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet, you might beg to differ. It is pronounced huff. So just like the big bad wolf, he huffed and puffed and blew down the pigs' houses, I am Dr. Huff. And I'm a bona fide geek and nerd. If you look there on the bottom left-hand side of your screen, I'm a big Disney fan, and I was able to go to Club 33 last year and hang out with Mickey and Minnie. If you don't know what that is, it's a big, big deal for us Disney fans. Let me tell you a little bit about my education and background. In terms of my education, I have 2 bachelor's degrees. I have a degree in social work as well as 1 in communication arts with a speech emphasis. I have 3 master's degrees, 1 in community counseling, 1 in marriage and family therapy, and 1 in communication studies. And I also have my doctoral degree, and that is in higher education with a pedagogy emphasis, which basically is the art and science of how to run the classroom for adult learners. In terms of my public speaking background, I started all the way back in high school. I participated on the speech and debate team. I was also active in theater, and I was a junior Rotarian and participated in student congress. I continued speech and debate into college, as well as my theatrical career, and then in 1998 I was co-national champion in Lincoln-Douglas debate on the college competitive circuit. After that, I went to work in corporate America, and you'll see that I was a trainer and or manager for all of these different corporations listed on this slide. And the past 16 years, I have been a college instructor. I've loved every minute of it. I also started 2 different speech and debate programs, one at John Brown University, as well as here at Hartnell College. And I do all sorts of different public relations things for the college whenever they call on me. So I just want you to remember that today's geeks are tomorrow's professors. Yes, that is my senior prom pick, so you can make fun of me as much as you want to. But I look forward to an awesome semester, and I'm really glad you're here.